How you doing? I just want to give you an update on how to do this so to assist with your effort. You see I created it right here, Module 1 to-do list. Let me show you what I did. I'll just go down to Module 2. Click on this Add, Content page, New page. You have to do New page. Put Module 2 to-do list. Sorry about that. Press Add Item. It's going to go to the bottom here. Just use your mouse right there. Put it all the way up. You see this right here? If you put it over here, this green thing means it's published. Here's the key. See how Module 2, the whole Module 2 isn't published yet, and will only be published after you click on that and make this green. Even though these are green, this is not green yet. So that's how you know if the module is published. So let me show you what I want to do here. Module 1 to-do list. You notice quiz number 1, you'll have to, it's over chapter 1 right here. So I usually open a separate tab, okay? And it opens right here. Press edit. All right, so first thing I told you, make an image. Go over there to image, see it's, put search, I don't know, let's put money. Let's see what we get. Put in different search, it's not a big deal what comes up. There we go. Image comes in right there. Perfect. See, I just clicked on it? Perfect. So after this, we're going to put Module 1 Overview, and we're going to type what Module 1's over. Okay? Then we're going to put, let me do this. Let me capitalize this. Module 1 Overview. Let's bold it. Module 1 To-Do List. Let's bold that. Now let's not bold this, so we're going to read chapter 1, quiz number 1. And that's all. So now we want to add in the content right here. So let's see, I'll go to, this is where you want to look at that textbook, see if you have any textbook downloads. Let me go to Google, see if I find anything. The book's Hubbard and O'Brien. If you want to go there, there we go. Copy this, put it right here. There we go. Let's press save. And there's your resources. And there it is. Okay? That's all I need you to do right there. Click off of it, and then you'll see it right there. Make sure that's published, Module 1, and make sure all these are green after you do each of them. And that's all you have to do. So now you start with Module 2. Now here, let me show you what to do. Since Module 1's the same on the other course, watch what I do. I'm going to copy this whole thing right here. The other course. Module 1. Go. Put it all the way to the top. Open it up. Edit it. Copy it. Ow, why does it say read chapter? Oh, shoot. Didn't say chapter. Hold on there. Chapter 1. All right, there we go. Let me know if you got any questions.